to number 5, the last problem. So we're going to describe how the formula is a transformation of a toolkit function, and then we're going to sketch a graph of the transformation. So the function given is p of x is equal to this 1 over 3x, quantity squared, and then minus 3. Okay, so let's break down what's going on. So the overall toolkit function is going to be, again, we see the exponent of 2. So the toolkit function is just x squared, so like a parabola, right? So let's look at the easiest thing. This is this negative 3. So that just means we're going to shift the graph vertically down 3, okay? And then also we have this kind of tricky guy inside, which actually, because whenever you have something attached directly to your x or to your input, it kind of does the opposite for horizontal transformations. So this is actually going to mean that we're going to horizontally stretch our graph by a factor of the reciprocal, factor of 3 in this case. So we got a lot of 3's going on, right? So that's what it basically means. I kind of wrote the description here. So we're going to horizontally stretch our x squared graph, so it'll look kind of like that. And then we're also going to shift it down 3 units, okay? So let's graph this. We're going to sketch a graph of it. So let me draw that. So this is x and this is y. Normally we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say. Okay, so normally we look like this. Our u looks like pretty standard, our x squared graph. Okay? That's a pretty good u. Okay, so this is our normal x squared graph. And then for our new one, our p of x, this is going to be, let's do down 3 first. So this would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're down 3. So 0, comma, negative 3 is our vertex here. So you can always check that by saying, right, because when you plug in a 0 for x, then this term goes to 0 and we just get negative 3. Okay, so we just check the vertex, and then what else do we have? Let's say we plug in a 3 now, and so we would get 1 over 3 times 3, quantity squared, minus the 3. So this goes to 1, so 1 minus 3 gives you a negative 2. Okay, so when we plugged in a positive 3, we got negative 2. So all the way out there, and same thing would happen if you plugged in a negative 3. So we're basically going to have something that looks like this. It's a really, really like shallow looking parabola, or U, okay? And that's where the horizontal stretching comes in by factor of 3, okay? Alrighty, so that wraps up our practice problems video for the section on transformation of functions. I hope that helps, and good luck on your homework.